What an incredible weekend we had, the 4th of July weekend, 250 years as a nation, the best nation on the planet. Truly believe that, and very excited as we begin the second half of the year, 2026. Not a lot going on this week economically, but there are a couple things that will impact rates. But I don't think rates are going to move too much this week. Let's start with Monday. Monday, we have an ISM Non-Manufacturing Report that's coming out and will kind of give the strength of the economy. Tuesday, we have a 3-year Treasury note and the ADP weekly preliminary estimate. This is a jobs number, and this is kind of one of many that goes into the monthly report that comes out the first week of the month. Expectations are around 30,000 jobs for the week. Wednesday's a big day. That's the biggest day of the week economic-wise. We have the Federal Reserve, their meeting, their minutes are going to come out, and then you'll have Fed Chair Warsh talking, and that will impact rates a little bit. But remember, Fed Chair Warsh is actually trying to minimize the impact of what he and his fellow Fed members say. He wants the markets to move based on numbers, not based on the smoke and mirrors that typically the Fed has put out in the past. Thursday, we got continuing jobless claims and initial jobless claims. We also have the existing home sales report. Should be pretty good. I mean, we've had a couple good months in a row there. Friday, no economic news. Friday the 10th of July. And let's take a look at rates because, rates last week they went up. It was not a very good week for rates. They came down a little bit on Friday, but VA were right around 6.2%, maybe just a hair under at 6.19. Conventional were 6.5 to 6.875, roughly in that range. And again, I think there's no real movement expected. But of course, you know what? We don't control. There's a lot that we don't control. One of the things that we do not control is what's going on over in the Middle East and Iran, and how the MOU kind of moving forward. The continued talks are going as we try and keep oil prices low. And the good thing is, oil prices are really, I think, the lowest since they've been since February, so that's good. But we certainly don't want to see a spike. We don't want to see any more tax in the Strait of Hormuz. We really want to see that free flow of traffic, shipping traffic through the Strait of Hormuz. Again, just like every other major waterway in the world. Ain't no tolls anywhere else. There shouldn't be any tolls in the Strait of Hormuz either, and we should have some safe passage for all ships going through. Well, that's what we got for you this week. Anything big comes out, definitely going to give you an update. In the meantime, stay positive. Have a great week. Aloha.